We're fixing to blow up at McDonald's and play a little prank on them. Here we go.
That guy was looking at us, bro. That was a baseball throw.
For real?
Yeah.
Police there. Who cares? You gonna do it with the police?
Where?
Right there? Yeah. Right over there.
I'll do it. Let's see which copy it is.
Don't matter, we're doing it.
Yeah, we can go straight out. This is gonna be so perfect. What do you want? Hold up.
What is that smell? But like, I don't want anything. I'm just trying to.
Right, you want me to tell you what I want?
What are you gonna say?
Right, you want me to tell you what I want? He didn't blow the horn.
They're gonna get it.
This is gonna be so funny.
Air horn right there.
Air horn.
He wants a medium something.
We're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to tell him, hold on, let me look. And I'll be like, you want me to tell you what I want? It'll be good.
Be like, hold on 1 second.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be able to do it, huh? Like, I need to order a
I need a large order. Here, I'll
I
wait.
don't want to do this, I don't want to. Alright, go pull up.
Don't order anything. Just be like,
Hi, may I take your order, please?
Hold up 1 second.
be like, okay.
Okay. You want me to tell you what I want?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Positive?
Here we go. Here we go. Gotta get out.
Gotta get out of this place. Oh, dude, that was good.